Hey guys, if you have got an outdated link settings in your Instagram bio and want to take it down, you are in the right place. Today we are going to show you remove link from Instagram bio so your profile stays fresh and relevant. Grab your phone, follow along and let's get that link removed in under 2 minutes. First, take your phone and open the Instagram app. After the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After the profile menu, look for the edit profile option, click on them. Here you can scroll down a little, find the link section, tap on it. After that, here you can see all of the link listed there. Find the specific link. If you want to remove, simply tap on it. After the link page is open, look for the remove link option, click on them and then hit remove button and wait to complete the process, and that's it. Now return to your home screen page, open the profile page again, simply refresh it, and this time not be available link in your Instagram bio there. If this video helpful, please subscribe, like this video. Thanks for watching.